Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Mustang front bumper. First, always ensure your safety by working on a flat surface and using jack stands to support the vehicle. You'll begin by opening the hood and carefully removing the plastic radiator cover, which is typically held by about 8 push pins. While not strictly necessary, removing the front wheels can provide much better access to the fasteners in the wheel well area, making the process smoother. Next, we'll focus on disconnecting the various components attached to the bumper. If your Mustang has fog lights or turn signals, carefully unplug their electrical connectors. You'll also need to locate and disconnect the ambient air temperature sensor, often found behind the lower grille. Proceed to remove the push pins and screws that secure the splash shields to the bumper, then gently pull back the inner fender liners to reveal additional attachment points. Now it's time to tackle the main fasteners holding the bumper in place. Start by removing the 4 Phillips head clips and 4 8mm bolts found along the top bumper support. Move underneath the car to remove 3 7mm trim bolts. Inside each wheel well, after pulling back the liner, you'll find 2 10mm nuts or bolts securing the bumper to the fender. Finally, gently pull the bumper cover forward on each side to release the retaining clips. With all fasteners and electrical connections released, the bumper is ready for final removal. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you at this stage to prevent damage. Carefully pull the entire bumper cover straight away from the vehicle. Once detached, immediately place the bumper cover on a soft, clean surface, such as a blanket or cardboard, to protect its finish. Take a moment to inspect the exposed area for any overlooked clips or wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.